If you are encountering issues with the DISM scan in Windows 11, we have a couple of troubleshooting steps for you. First, let us try running the System File Checker tool. To do this, search for Command Prompt in your Windows search bar. Once it appears, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. In the elevated Command Prompt window, type the command sfc/scannow and press Enter. This command will initiate a scan to check for and repair corrupted system files. If the SFC scan does not resolve the problem, we can explore another method involving a PC reset. To begin, right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the context menu. In the Settings window, navigate to the System tab. Scroll down in the right pane and locate the Recovery option. Click on it, and then select the Reset PC option. You will then be presented with choices for how to reset your PC. Choose the option to remove everything. Following this, select Cloud Download as your preferred method for reinstalling Windows. Finally, click Next to begin the reset and cloud download process. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.